Hi, my name's Emma Etoff and I'm the Biodiversity Manager for Oxford University. Oxford University has an ambitious strategic goal to have a net gain impact on biodiversity by 2035, and a big part of that goal is to improve biodiversity across our estate. The Wildflower Meadow at the History faculty is a great example of a biodiversity improvement project within the city. The project was supported by the Environmental Sustainability team at the university and was implemented by dedicated students and staff of the History faculty.
We have a whole bunch of things. So we got just below us here a lovely pyramidal orchid, but we have a whole bunch of other wildflowers which we planted. First time was March 2022. So it's been 3 summers now.
A lot of different steps that we had to do towards getting this garden actually to the amazing state that it is right now. And one of those is actually building partnerships within the university and the different departments. And what we found is that it's really important that you can have someone actually at the location of the garden who can really support that process going through, can be a sort of inside voice to keep you updated. So Miranda from the History faculty was really amazing in this, and she really helped us through this process.
So I think the collaboration with the students has been key, because I've been able to join in their work parties, and then if anybody's asking any questions within the faculty, I've been able to explain exactly what we're doing. And people have become more and more positive. They can see this garden through the window of the common room, through their office windows, they look down onto it. And it's just changed. I mean, we're 3 summers later and we've got dragonflies, and we've got orchids, and we've got swifts and swallows and martins that you see at various in the evenings.
Hello, my name is Brody, and last year I did an internship with the Oxford University Environmental Sustainability team, and myself along with another intern, Ash, we surveyed the biodiversity of this meadow at the History faculty. And what we found was that it was rich, full of plenty of life, and that's from the plants in the ground, the beetles below, and even to the birds above. And we found, looking across other sites as well, that this richness, the species that were here, were comparable to those of sites far out of Oxford, even away from the city life.
This sign actually as well, it was commissioned and we placed it here earlier this year. So it's not only for members that are coming to visit this garden specifically, but for members of the general public as well. As you can see, it's really widely used urban space here in the centre of Oxford. And a lot of people coming might be intrigued by this biodiversity space and the meadow. Sites like this are not only important for biodiversity, but they're also important for loads of other social and environmental factors, like reducing air pollution in major cities, also for recreation and human well-being. It's just really, really nice for people to actually be able to come out here and to appreciate and have that connectedness with nature on your doorstep.
This project is a wonderful example of how we can use the space around the university to support and improve urban biodiversity. We're always looking for projects across the estate where we think biodiversity can be improved. If you have any ideas at your department, please don't hesitate to get in touch.